Hi guys, this is our water now from the rain fall. Not overflowing but it's full. Very nice. My landscape. It's super clean here now. Hey guys, Marites is cleaning the bushes here. Ay, gagmay mang kahoy-tis, oy. Kani ako ning kuan ng mga kwantis. Ako ning gamiton. Kaning atop. Mo na ko garden balingin nun ako. The next neighbor property is so dirty. Kalamin sa sounds ni kuan eh. We have a nice backyard here now guys after the heavy rain last night and then last night and yesterday afternoon. I want Marites to clean her but I'm going to help her later on. Philip said that our pond is already full. I'm so excited to go there. I'm going to go there later because I'm going to feed the dog first. Come on! Dali na! Let's go! Let's eat! Dali na! Come on! There they are. Let's eat! Let's eat! Come on, let's eat, puppy! Let's eat, doggies!